da Agata Sandrone, in collaborazione con Silvana Restivo, vediamo la...
Hello everyone, I am Agata Sandrone in collaboration with Silvana Restivo. Today we will talk about a profession that is no longer practiced, Ugonzalemme. Ugonzalemme was the one that repaired the terracotta or ceramic plates. When he arrived in the village, a Bagnano, that is shouting, he invited people to approach and bring the plates or tureens to be repaired. With a glue, he joined the pieces. Here is a fangotto, a plate used to put the estratto, the tomato paste. After putting the glue in the plate, he would drill holes in it with a wooden drill to make it stronger. Here I show you a copy of the drill he used. After making the holes, he would pass some wire. The plate or tureen were fixed, but they could not contain liquid food anymore, but only solids. Here we have a small statuette that reminds us of the novel by Luigi Pirandello, La Giara. In this novel, we talk about the Gonzalemme, struggling with a jar which he will be forced to break because, ironically, he repaired the jar with him inside.
Gonzalemme è rimasto intrappolato dentro la giara.
Va bene. Se non ti lasciavo solo era ancora sana. Meglio invece te ne sei andata via per sempre.
It's my fault. If I didn't leave you alone, you were still good. But instead, you went away forever. And now, what do I do?
No, guardate, si può sanare.
No, look, it can be fixed. Only a piece has come off. The cut is clean. Maybe it was cracked.
It wasn't cracked. It rang like a bell. And now, I won't hear it anymore.
Yes, you will hear it.
Do you want me to believe in miracles?
Some people still make them.
And who makes them?
The best pictures fixture of Sicily.
And what does it have? Fairy hands?
No, le mani no, ma un mastice che fa mirare.
No, not fairy hands, but a glue that works miracles. It's so strong, not even a hammer can crack it. Work, slowly, pull, hit.
Picchia!